Now let's start our research. Think about your topic. What do you want or need to know about your topic? For example, I was inspired by our book about boxer dogs. I'd like to research dogs. Now I'll write a general statement that begins with the words, I want to learn about. So you see at the bottom of the screen, I have my general statement. I want to learn about dogs. That's a really big statement and a really big search. I could actually search on that for the rest of my life. So I need to narrow my topic. What do I want to know about dogs? To get ideas, I could go to a database and skim through resources. Skim means to look briefly at something without reading or viewing the whole thing. I can also look at nonfiction ebooks through our library catalog. So in ClassLink, you have this app. That's our BTW Destiny catalog. You click on that, and that brings you to this page. Under Learning Links, you'll click See All. By now, you know these steps already. We've gone through these databases. The database I want you to work from is the Britannica Learn. The, remember, username is EHLIB, password CATS. I'm going to just look up information here in Britannica School Elementary on dogs, just to get inspired and see what I might want to research about. So up here, I'm going to type in dogs. And just looking at the headings, I'm already getting more ideas. Dogs and humans, where dogs live. Maybe I want to learn more about where dogs live. Dogs' behavior. And then dogs as pets. And then we have a ton of different breeds of dogs. Dogs and humans. What's that about? I don't really want to read all of this. I'm just skimming to get ideas. I can look at pictures. I can briefly look at videos, where dogs live, physical features, dogs and humans. Dogs have been with humans since prehistoric times. The ancient Egyptians thought dogs were holy. Wow. Over the years, people developed different breeds of dogs for different purposes. Now I'm going really quickly here, but it's going to take you actually a lot longer to come up with a more narrowed statement than what I'm showing you here. So don't beat yourself up. I've just been doing this a long time. Okay. So I skimmed some resources. You'll want to skim more than I did. I just was moving quickly. Now we need to make a guiding question. This is the question that will guide you through your research. It needs to be more specific about your topic. For example, what specifically do I want to learn about dogs? After skimming, I became curious about the relationship between dogs and humans. I'll turn that into a guiding question. How was the relationship between dogs and humans formed? So there you have it. We've done the second step in the research process. In the first step, we've explored databases. In the second step, we've made a general statement and a guiding question. The guiding question will help us dig for answers. Now it's your turn. You're going to want to use some of the different databases and resources we've gone over in the past. Create a general statement starting with, I want to learn about. And make a guiding question that starts with one of these words: who, what, why, when, where, and how, or how. Put your general statement and your guiding question on a Google Doc and submit it under this lesson. We're going to have a lot of fun with this. I have some cool apps to show you that we're going to put our little research project in. Have fun.